Hello, disregard tutor and Kismet. My name is Yanet Ballesteros, Claro. I am 34 years old and I currently live in the municipality of the El Tarra, north of Santander. I work on my own denim of women clothes. I like my beautiful made up of my husband Jose Leonardo and my son Matias. I study last semester of business administration at the UNAT University of Ocaña. My point of view on the effects of technology on the environment. It is necessary to stop the massive consumer and the carbon emissions to have a better quality life. As specific for returns, we spend about 1 trillion Americans a year on consumer electronics. If we not seek green alternatives to fossil fuels, there with decreasing energy burns of our mobile devices, our digital consumption will continue to contribute massively to everyone else. According to the advance for human beings, I share eating greatly appreciate that you consider my suggestion to April. 1. Provide separate containers for trash recycled on the garden clipped as will also convey become. 2. Recycle the electronic device of possible source as computer, printer, teleports, TVs, among other. 3. Watch the water use. 4. Provide electronic cards which are affordably cheap and free to touch emissions. Thank you for your time and consideration. Bye.